good morning, and welcome to the laid back bed. Matt. And this morning, we're gonna do a little yoga in bed. Yes, Chin Chin and I are too lazy to come up. So, Chin Chin, Chin Chin. I even have a fake banjo jig next to me for more realistic, but they can't sleep over there. So first, let's bring our knees a little closer to the sky and our heels closer to our bums, and just reach with your arm and maybe just stretching one foot and the other, and just start nicely kicking the blankets off. Take your time, there's no rush, right? And just reach through your heel, reach through your hands. If you want a couple pillows here, that's always fun. Now let's slide the heel next to our bum again. Fix your pajama, your night clothes. And maybe just gently hugging the knee towards the chest. Let the lower back just curve naturally here. And let's bring that knee and send it away. But we're going to go very gentle. We don't want to pop the hip. Just slightly, and let's keep the opposite side pinned down a little bit. So don't go further than you need to. Only do what feels good. Maybe moving the head side to side here. Inhale the knee back up and just slide it back down. Another side. Just bring your knee towards your chest. It doesn't have to touch it. Just bring it close to you and nice gentle motion here, and let's gently bring the knee to the side. Feel the nice twist. This should feel good. If it doesn't, come out of it. Here we go. Now let's bring our arms up. Inhale, and then do a little circle with our hand. Maybe our feet too at the same time. Now, if you want, you can lift the leg up a little bit, but engage your core. Make that tight. If you want to lift up a little bit, tighten the core. Little circle. Big inhale and exhale. Both knees towards the chest. Give them a nice hug. And let's turn side to side here. Just a little motion. Preparing the body for a windshield wiper. Exhale the feet down. Now take as many breaths as you need between the called in breath. So here we go. Oh, round your lower back here, and then around your upper back. Press in your elbow. Maybe lift the bum a little bit. No, you don't have to. Just press yourself up here. Nice. Now, exhale your head to one side and bring the opposite arm to the opposite direction. Now let's turn our head the other side. There we go. Take your time. You can get rid of the lower pillow if you want. You can put pillows under your leg here. If you want a wide stand, this is our banjo jig blankets we have for sale, but we're not promoting that today. And there's this banjo. He goes to bed with his banjo. My goodness. Now again, let's bring the pillows here to our sides. Maybe like bringing your knee, just rest. Maybe the flat of your feet. Those are all suggestions. Put the flat of your feet against each other and just let your legs open naturally with the support of the pillows. You can use the pillows for your arms too. And see how much more room you have on your neck here. Now the trick is not to send our head way back. So keep the chin closer to the chest. And just enjoy, rest here for a moment. Maybe like yawning your arm up. Inhale the knee towards each other. And if you want to keep the pillows there, keep them there. We're going to windshield wiper our legs now. So opposite end to one side, windshield wiper. And windshield wiper is a motion. Let's place it on low. Remember the low motion? Once in a while it moves. You can use that setting. Or you can go a little faster. You pick a speed that agrees with your body, that is calming to you, but still awakening. And if you want to just remove the pillow and go a little deeper, maybe not, put the pillows back. So adjust, keep adjusting. Now let's turn to our right side or left side if you want. And press ourselves sitting. Let's sit a little bit. Take your time here. I've got my legs in mermaid there. I'm going to keep them in mermaid. Okay, that'll be nice. I'm going to keep my little foot covered so it's nice and warm. Now let's slide the elbow until it's down. Inhale the shoulder up. Maybe the other end goes back. Maybe you want to inhale it up and over. Maybe you want to curve the lower back. Those are all little add-on you can add. Then press in your lower hands. Come back up. And let's switch our leg. Take your time. Switch your leg to the other side. This is nice little pleasure in life. We're going to take our time. And here, if you want, slide all the way until your elbow is down. Here we go. You can open the shoulder up. If you want to have the arm open, maybe looking up and pressing into our hands, we're coming back up. Place your feet, your legs, whatever comfortable means to you. I've got the issue with this knee lately, so I may just have a leg hanging down, and why not? Just for a little bit, I'll put it back. But we don't want to force, and right now my leg like that, I can put a pillow under my knee, and that's better. I can let my leg dangle. So whichever comfortable position you have, you do. Let's take a big inhale and send our fingertip up. This is a new day. Maybe looking right and left. Maybe down. Inhale, fingertip up. And exhale, hands to heart. Oh, relax the shoulder here. Little baby circle with the neck. Don't go too far. And let's keep this morning party going. We're going to involve a little bit of the body. So here I'm going to support both of my knees in my crisscross because it's early and I'm not quite ready to go to a fuller extent here. We want to be gradual, you know. So bad breath and all. Little shoulder roll here. Maybe the other way too if it feels good to you. And let's go slowly see what's there. But we're going to start at the lower waist. And just turn. Just go see what's behind you. Now try to keep your knees down if possible. And if they jack up, don't worry about it. My goodness. And inhale, slowly center. Exhale, other side. Yes, chin chin. Good morning to you too. Good morning. Yes, you have your teddy bear right here with you. Yes. Here we go. Nice, nice. Take your time here. And let's dangle our legs down. Keep a good bend in the knee. Maybe even putting a pillow under your knee here. Lift them a little more. And big inhale up with the fingers. Exhale, round your back. Start at the lower spine. Just round, round, round. Look at your belly button here. Now inhale forward. Maybe bring your hands to your legs. Maybe slide them a little bit. Wherever they go, don't force. If your chest don't go to your legs, don't go there. Only go as far as your body wants to go today. And just relax here. And if it no longer feels good, we're coming out of it. You can stay a little longer too. This is if you're doing it just good for you, you can stay there a little bit and just enjoy it. Now I'm gonna remove my pillow here, make a little more room for my legs. If you want to keep your pillow, do so. And let's cross one leg over the other. Like it's like ladylike, huh? And if you want, slide your foot just as far as it goes. If it's just a little bit, that's awesome. It's just awesome you're watching this video. If you're doing a little bit of it, congratulations. So here, I'm not going to yank my knee down. I'm not going to push on it, but I will put just a little bit of very gentle pressure. I'm not hurting my hip. I'm gently moving my knee down. So right now we're in the sitting pigeon, so we can make the little sound. Inhale, and then exhale. Round your back again like we did. And then inhale forward. Inhale forward just a little bit. See how it feels like. You don't want to push more on the leg now. So just nicely, maybe a little movement with the neck if it feels good. If you find a spot that feels especially good, just stay there a little bit. Inhale the neck back up. Other side. Here we go. Remember, both sides are different. So if one side, the knee, the leg don't want to go up, keep it down. Keep it where it's comfy to you right now today. And reverse sitting pigeon again. Inhale and exhale. Not reverse, sitting pigeon. And nicely. Take your time, stay as long as it feels nice to you here. And let's replace the leg down. And we're going to take our hand, put them up behind us, and start scooting. Use your feet too if you want. Start scooping. We're making more room in that bed now. Let's throw Mr. Teddy. You can go with you, Chin Chin. And let's remove some blankie. Have a little more of a surface as we move, right? There you go. Now watch that, I'll watch the video after and there'll be a huge dust bunny creeping out from under the thing. I'll leave it there. It's okay. I've got better things to do really than cleaning dust bunnies, right? We got to do yoga. Priorities, priorities. Now let's slide a little more. And if you have enough room, just open your leg a little bit. And again, feel free to take those pillows and put them, and I'm going to put mine right under my knees. And open as much as it's comfortable. Feet can be up a little bit. And we're going to round our back here. Big inhale, make it straight. Exhale, round your back and then slide forward a little bit. You can have your hands here for support. They can be on your feet, on the bed, on your leg. Round your body, and next time you inhale, add a little bit of length, and exhale, gently soften, and inhale back up. Take your time here, and let's slide back. This is even the little transition. You're moving here. We're starting to incorporate little movement. We're gently moving back and forth here. And just sit straight. Inhale, one foot up. Just parallel. My thigh is still there. If you want a little higher, just go ahead. Make sure you don't round your back. Exhale. Inhale the other leg up. And if you want, you can lift the thigh a little bit. You don't have to. And then push through your heel. Push your heel away from you. And yes, you can always rotate the ankle, the hands. Add a little motion to your day. We're starting to move here a little more. Round your lower back. Bring your shoulder back. Slide your finger back. I'm turning my fingertip away from me for support. I'm arching my back a little, but I'm not sending my head way back. And inhale your fingertip forward. Give yourself a nice hug here. You know, if that, even if it's the only thing you're doing out of this video that's so good, it's more than not doing it at all, right? Nice little hug. So thank yourself for taking the time to watch. And let's slide gently, but very gently. I'm going to my side. I don't want to come off the bed like poof, too quick. I'm putting my hands here. I'm even gonna lay down my forearm to the bed, my elbows to the bed. I'm going a little bit to the side here so you can see. But you just want to do like a flat back. So tuck in your little belly, flatten your back here. And inhale, press in your hand and start bringing them gently towards you. Now, if you want to add a little more, this can be all. You want to start walking around your bed or go back to bed if that's your intention. If you want to add a little more, I can make a video with a little more stretch. We can incorporate to the bed yoga, like bringing your legs up a little more. Different, you can always add after that. So I can make a part two. That's what do you do once you're up that you still can use your bed. So we'll put that in the work. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my very first yoga from the bed. It was warmly asked for, and I hope you enjoy. And namaste. Hello and welcome. This is the Laid Back Mat. I am Anne-Marie. I am a professional comedian and a certified and registered yoga teacher, and I believe in doing what feels good. Feeling good is laughing, it's moving, incorporating both is great. So my site is all about humor and yoga, exercise, while having fun, and skits, awesome skits, a little music, a little variety. So a little variety, that's what it's about, is variety.